I soaked this rice in water for 3 days. So as you can see, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. In today's video I want to make rice fufu. So here is my rice. So guys, I soaked this rice in water for 3 days. So as you can see, the rice is soft. So I'll transfer into my blender and blend it. This is my blender. So I will blend it 2 times. Add water. So I'm done blending. I'm done blending the rice, transferring to my pot. So guys, now I will turn my fufu. This is my spatula. I'll turn my fufu like this. Almost ready. Rice fufu. You can eat it with any soup of your choice. Wow, this is rice fufu. You can eat with any soup of your choice. Leave it, leave it. It's hot, okay? Don't touch it though. My baby girl. So I'm going to enjoy my rice fufu with vegetable soup. Yeah. You can eat with any soup of your choice. Mama, come. So guys, our rice fufu. So guys, our rice fufu is ready. Mama, hold it. Our rice fufu, hold it. Our rice fufu is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hold it. Look at the rice fufu. So you can eat with any soup of your choice. I'm allowed to cool down before I can enjoy my rice fufu. Thank you. We love you. Mama say bye-bye.